Hello, my dear friends. Today I'm going to show you how to cut a whole turkey. So in Canada, they have a custom. They usually have turkey on Christmas and Thanksgiving Day. They usually bring turkeys which are very big. They are 3 to 5 kilos, 5 to 7, 7 to 9, and like 9 to 12 kilos. They're very, very big. So here we are going to see how to cut a turkey. So this is the turkey neck. So as you can see here, see the turkey is big, right? Yeah. So we cut, first of all, we cut the turkey into half. Yeah, now I break. See? So I separate, I divide or split the turkey thigh, the bottom and top. Now time to cut the turkey wing. So it's a little difficult to cut, but you have to find the right place, the right spot. If you find the right spot, then it's really easy to cut the turkey without any breaking the bones, because every parts of the turkey has a joint. Then you have to find the joints and cut from that place, from that spot. See, as you can see that I'm searching for the right point. Yeah, that's turkey wings. When I do like this, so definitely see I want to find the right spot. Same thing. Now I just want to find out the joints and then cut from the joints. It's really easy, so you don't have to push your knife on the bone to cut the bone, because it's difficult to cut the bone, right? Yeah. So we're still doing the turkey wings. Yeah. So now we're gonna cut or split the bone first. So this is all ribs, turkey ribs. See, it's a little difficult. So yeah, but not that much difficult. Yeah. So we sell this as a turkey backbone or turkey just bones. So turkey bones are not that much expensive. It's inexpensive. So we usually split the turkey breast. So that was the whole turkey breast. I just want to split it into two pieces, because here in Canada people sell turkey as a one piece turkey breast. They split it first and then sell it as a one piece or two piece. Or sometimes we sell a whole turkey breast. When I say whole turkey breast, so it means that it has skin, it has two piece of breast, and it has bone in it too. So I just remove the skin. Now, if I sell this turkey breast split, so I sell it as a turkey breast split skinless. Yeah, okay. Now I'm gonna find the right spot to remove the bone. Yeah. Now when I remove the bone, now this chicken or turkey breast is turkey breast skinless and boneless. Right. Yeah, this is boneless and skinless turkey breast, which is really good. So we have different kinds of knife. We have big and small knives. We use it to cut turkey, beef, pork. So we have a lot of tables here, like 4 or 5 tables. We use a table for chicken and turkey. We use a table for only pork, and we use a table only for beef. Okay, now it's time to work on the back. So we are now working on drumsticks and thighs. First, I find the joint and then cut from the right point. Now that's turkey drumstick one, and this is the second turkey drumstick. Now we're working on turkey thighs. Yeah, so when I'm shaking or just moving it, it means that I'm just finding the right spot, right? So now this is turkey thigh. Yeah, I'm just splitting or cutting the turkey thigh. Yeah, turkey thigh. And then we usually sell turkey thighs in one disposable plate or a tray, a small tray or small plate. And we sell one piece of or one split of turkey breast in one plate and another turkey breast on another plate. And then we collect all the bones and put them in one tray and sell them as a turkey bones, which is really exciting. So this is how we cut a whole turkey. Hope you learn how to cut a whole turkey. So in this video, we learned the names of parts of the turkey and how to cut the turkey. Thank you very much. Hope you enjoyed.